So behind me is a Jaguar F-Pace. Got a customer's car in. My back pocket, I've got my magic sauce. This car's been ceramic coated. It's got a base layer of CSL. So when you've got ceramic coatings like G-Technic, if you've got CSL, you don't get amazing water behaviour unless you have EXO tops on it. This hasn't had a yearly maintenance ceramic coating. It's been coated now for over 18 months, so it should have gone through a maintenance process. I've informed the customer that the coating is starting to struggle. There's obviously areas of the car that looks like it's got water spotting on it from whoever's been maintaining it with mains water, which is one of the reasons why I have a certain procedure with using spotless water throughout the process and charging the customer extra for that process, especially on cars that are ceramic coated that need that. Less minerals on the paint, the better. So on this little video I'm going to do for you is I'm going to show you how to apply Sigma, just to give a little bit of extra little bit of gloss. Huge amount of slickness, but also going to use it just like a quick detailer. So how's that going to work? So I've got myself my Gary Syrupy pearl weave cloth, and I've got Sigma mixed at 1:1. So just going to do a nice line down the middle of the panel. So you're just going to level this off, really simple. You do a whole panel at a time, no problem. Just be careful in certain sunlight, certain directions. Obviously always follow the manufacturer's instructions. But all you do is just literally, a little bit more, just level that onto the paint. Allow that to set up. So Sigma is a hybrid between CSL and quick detailer. So it can be phenomenal to use as a new protection. My personal preference is to use CSL and then use Sigma to top that. So it's almost like CSL is your ceramic sealant and then Sigma is your top coat. Then you use quick detailer to manage all of that when you're on your washes. Depending on what paint you've got, Sigma can be quite fiddly. So that's the reason why I dilute Sigma down on this sort of situation with a ceramic coated car, 1:1, because Sigma at 1:1 is pretty similar to a lot of other people's hybrid sealants out there because it's so strong. The one thing you're going to get from Gary Syrupy that I keep telling them off for, but it's how they operate, is they're always chase perfection. And they don't believe in treating the customers like stupid idiots when it comes to coatings. They want these coatings to be harder to manage. Not obviously, I don't want them to make it harder, but they want to show you that there's a lot of resin in these products to basically give you as much best protection as possible. You'll tend to find the easier the stuff to use in certain circumstances, the easier stuff that you use, the easier it is to apply and put on and take off. 9 times out of 10, the weaker the product is. Now, that can be the case. Some products, and the technology is getting really strong now, that the fact that a lot of products now, even ceramic coatings, are becoming very easy on and easy off. The technology in ceramic coatings now, in solvent coatings, is becoming so good that they're becoming easy on and easy off and just so good. And that you need to then judge the coating by longevity. But this is just going to add a nice bit of slickness back to the paint. And as you can see, on this Santorini black Jaguar F-Pace, that is now protected for up to 3 months. See you in the next video.